The probe finds itself cruising above a temperate planet. Low on energy, the probe attempts to find any form of radiation. A brown dwarf. Just enough radiation to charge the probe's batteries, although it must get closer. It is relatively cool to the touch at 75 Fahrenheit, yet massive enough in its core to fuse lithium. A close pass is performed with the solar sails extended 100%. The probe returns to a healthy energy level and travels towards another temperate planet in the system. Aurora Borealis streaks across the sky as the probe continues into the atmosphere. Nothing unusual has appeared in this system. The probe was originally drawn to it due to the red dwarf's infrared signals. Liquid water is detected as the probe continues across the planet. Unknown radar signatures have been detected on the planet. The probe descends immediately to sustain a low profile. Signal immediately vanishes. The probe attempts to cross-reference the frequencies. No matches have been found. The probe prepares to exit the planet.